Good day my friends and welcome back for another video. I'm Yankee Oscar 6 Delta Extra Echo, and in today's video we're going to take a quick look at the Baofeng UV-7B. I received this one from my friend Vlad, Yankee Oscar 5 Bravo Delta Lima, just to do a quick power test and a harmonic suppression test so he can use it without any worries. And since I have it on hand, I thought why not make a video about it. But before we carry on, I'd like to show you something really funny, so listen very carefully.
Channel mode.
Sounds a lot like Davy Jones to me. Anyway, let's not waste any time and carry on so we can take a closer look at this interesting transceiver from Baofeng. I'm not so much into unboxing kind of videos, but I haven't purchased a Baofeng for quite a long time, so why not filming the whole thing. So we have the user's manual over here. I'm going to put them aside. We have the transceiver, the battery, the lanyards. What else? Oh, we have the antenna over here, and we have a charger, but this is actually sold in Europe, but it came with the US kind of plug, so I'm not sure how that works. But anyway, thank God we need a USB cable so we can charge it from any phone charger that we might already have. And we have the clip on the back of the battery, and this is the headset. Very nice. And oh, there's no USB cable, so I'm not sure if Vlad removed that one from the box before sending me the package, or there was no cable inside the box from the beginning. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to ask Vlad. So the battery seems that it has a screw over here, and it will end up being tightened here on the bottom. I don't have a screwdriver, so I'll be back after I put this one in. I didn't want to waste your time, so I already installed the battery clip as well, so we can move on faster. And let's install the antenna. It's just the usual from Baofeng, same connector type. And let's say hello to Davy Jones one more time.
Channel mode.
And yeah, let's take a quick look at the radio itself. Well, transceiver, not radio. So here on top, I'm going to have to read the user's manual, because I have this, not sure if you can see, it's like a location pin kind of indicator. So I'm wondering if this one has GPS inside. I have no clue. Here on the side we have the PTT button. On top we have the torch. So on the bottom of the transceiver we have this really strong, powerful torch. Well, not extremely powerful, but it's a lot powerful than the one LED that we're used to. It has a blinking function as well. And let me put the volume a little bit lower. If you hold on it, we have that alarm system, distress signal. Alright, that's a long press for the alarm thing, and also short press to turn it off. Nope, a long press to turn it off as well. On the bottom over here we have the FM radio, so if you do a short click on this keypad over here, we have the FM radio. Another short click, it will turn it off, and if we do a long click, we get the monitor function, which I'm not sure, but I wish it would stay on even if I remove my hand from it, because it would be ideal for when you're doing satellite QSOs. I'll have to go through the manual and see if that's possible, maybe to set it up in Chirp. Here on the side also we have the usual, the microphone and the headset output. an input behind this rubber door. On the back we have two connectors for the battery, and I think you can also purchase for this one a desk charger, because it has these things over here that probably it's to fit it well in the charger. But you also have a little USB-C connector in the back. I believe is to charge the battery this way, directly with the cable. And you have a small LED, the battery indicator when it's charging. And I love this thing with the screw on the back of the battery, because this way definitely this battery is not gonna come off, so I really like it. So far it's cool, but let's have a closer look at the menu of this transceiver. So let's have a quick look at the menu of the transceiver. Sorry, I turned off Davy Jones. It was annoying for me. So over here the green button is the menu button, and the blue one is the exit. So we have zone, scan, wireless, radio settings, program channel, radio info, and that's it. Zone, I only have zone 1, so I believe I'm going to see if I can change this one in case I want to when I'm programming the radio through chirp. I have the scan function, wireless is just on and off, radio settings down below, but we'll come back to this. Program channel, same. You can program channels manually, but I'm not going to do that because I'm going to do it through chirp. Radio info, this is the firmware version, hardware version, radio info, and so on. And let's go back to radio settings, and over here we have just the usual, similar to the Baofeng UV-7B that I'm used to. Come on, comes out of the menu pretty fast. So we have step, squelch settings, power save, Vox level, Vox delay, TOT, TOA, voice, this is where you turn off Davy Jones, language, Roger, beep, backlight, power on display, dual watch, auto lock, alarm mode, alarm tone, and so on. The rest of the settings, I'm not going to go in detail through all of these, just because you can find all the details in the user's manual, which I always recommend you to read it every time you buy a new transceiver. So let's do a quick power measurement test. We'll do a harmonic suppression test, and after that we'll come back with a few more details about the transceiver. I forgot to mention one thing. So if you're trying to switch swap actually between channels over here, so for example you're monitoring two different frequencies and you'd like to transmit to one or the other one, you just have to click this blue button on the right side and it will swap from one channel to the other one. So yeah, it's quite simple, and you're actually transmitting when you're pressing on the PTT button through the channel that you selected over here. So right now is the top one, and right now is the bottom one. Really cool, I like it. Okay, so let's do a quick power test. Let's see on what band I am. So I'm on the 2 meters band. I'm going to start transmitting. And we're just a little bit over 4 watts, but not much. Now let's change on the 70 centimeters band, and I seem to get about the same. Yep, not a big difference. About 4 watts. Now the battery is not fully charged, but still it's only 4 watts, not 5 watts. Let's see the harmonic suppression test. So let's do a harmonics check. I'm going to go measure harmonics 146.520 megahertz. I'm going to check my level. I have to be minus 38 dB of attenuation, because that's my external RF tap. And let's go to display. I'm going to draw a line minus 16.20, and let's start transmitting. Too bad, because it looks like such a nice transceiver, but the second harmonic, it's only minus 19.9 dB. No, that's a dirty transceiver, so not good. I'm not going to bother measuring the 70 centimeters band because it makes no sense. So I think we're going to cut this video short, and we're not going to go into details on this transceiver just because it doesn't respect the harmonic suppression regulations. So I would recommend you to stay away from this one, at least until Baofeng will fix that issue. But right now, technically, you're not legal because you're bothering everybody with your harmonics every time you're transmitting. So yeah, sorry Vlad, you got a wrong one, my friend, but it is what it is. And by the way, I had a look about the icon on top of the case in the user's manual. Nope, there's no GPS, it's just an icon on the case. I'm not sure why it's there, but it is. So I hope it helps. Yeah, for now, stay away from this one. I do hope they will fix it because it does seem to be a nice transceiver, but right now, not good. Sorry, Baofeng. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, 73 from Yankee Oscar 6 Delta X-Ray Echo.